L-ajruplani kollha ta' Easyjet, jiġifieri 256, se tkun qed issirilhom il-manutenzjoni f'pajjiżna. Wara ftehim ma' Lufthansa Technik kien imiss li l-linja tal-ajru tiffirma ftehim ma' Lufthansa Technik li se jfisser li l-ħin kollu se jkun hawn mal-erba' ajruplani jsirilhom il-manutenzjoni fl-istess ħin li jfisser li Lufthansa Technik se teħtieġ iżżid l-impjegati tagħha b'madwar 50. Il-ftehim kien iffirmat fil-preżenza tal-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat u Ian Davis minn Easyjet spjega kif dan is-settur f'pajjiżna żamm standards għoljin ferm u jidher lest li jespandi.
We've had 6 years of good quality maintenance. We felt that was extendable, which we did for 1 year with SRT. But the key thing to us is why we come back is because of the workforce, the people, the skill, the commitment and the flexibility is key to our future, and we think it's key to Malta, and that's why we signed the contract today.
Markus Moċċenbaħer minn Lufthansa Technik innota li Malta saret punt importanti ħafna f'ħidmet il-kumpanija.
So I see Malta really, and Lufthansa Technik Malta in particular, really developing into a magnet, somebody or a company that attracts customers, that keeps customers, and we're particularly proud to conclude with Easyjet, one of the renowned airlines of low-cost sector, that we can convince to come to our beautiful facility.
Davis minn Easyjet fakkar li l-ħtiġijiet ta' manutenzjoni telgħu minn 50,000 siegħa għal 300,000 siegħa xogħol. Proċess li jiswa l-20 ta' miljuni ta' euro u li għalih il-kumpanija tkun trid ċertu ċertezzi.
First and foremost, it's skilled labor, a skilled workforce, very young and talented people. It has an excellent English, that's very important for us, and it does give security. It's a very stable environment politically and from the security point of view, and these are the 4 major points actually that give an advantage to Malta.
Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat innota li Easyjet b'kollox isservi ma' 800 rotta u 133 destinazzjoni f'madwar 31 pajjiż u kull sena iġġor magħha ma' 70 miljun passiġġier. Filwaqt li nnota t-tendenzi pożittivi li għaddej minnhom pajjiżna bħal ekonomija li qed tikber u rata ta' qatt baxxa ferm, tenna l-impenn tal-Gvern li jkompli jindirizza l-isfida biex ikun hawn iktar nies imħarġa f'dan is-settur. Sfidi u suċċessi li jagħtu l-ħeġġa biex il-ħidma l quddiem tkompli biex tinkiseb il-viżjoni tal-Gvern għal pajjiżna. Viżjoni ta' Malta vibranti u żagħżugħa li trid tiġbed leha xogħol ta' teknoloġija għolja li rebħet lil Easyjet.
You gave us the security and the confidence that we needed to commit our fleet here for another 5 years. And we're so grateful to you, and we wish you and your country and the maintenance facility here the best for the future.